A very good morning to all my lovely kids. How are you all? Fine? Very good kids. Now kids, let's start our session number 2. But before that, did you remember what you have learned yesterday? Yes, you learned alphabet E. Now kids, let's watch a video related to the alphabet E.
E as an elephant. E as an ear. E as an envelope. E as an elk. E as an eagle. E as an eye. E as an earth. E as an egg. It's the letter E. It's the letter E. It's the letter E. It's the letter E. E is an eraser. E is an echidna. E as an easel. E as an elf. E as an emu. E as an eggplant. E as an emerald. E as an eel. It's the letter E. 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 It's the letter E.
Now kids, let's revise alphabet E through the dictionary book.
E for egg. E for eagle. E for elephant. E for eraser. E for engine. E for ear. E for earth. E for earrings. E for 8. E for envelope. E for elbow. E for eye. E for eyebrow.
Yes, once again, let's revise that how you have to write alphabet E.
English, there are 4 lines. 2 red lines and 2 blue lines. Let's start writing alphabet E. From a red line, we will make a standing line till second blue line. Now from red line, make a slipping line. Now from first blue line, make another slipping line. And from second blue line, make one more slipping line. Kids, always remember that the first and last slipping line will be equal and middle slipping line will be little shorter than these 2 lines. Now kids, let's make small e. For small e, we will start writing from these 2 blue lines. First, make a slanting line and without lifting your pencil, make a C curve. Once again, from red line, make a standing line. From red line, make a slipping line. From first blue line, make a slipping line. And from second blue line, make another slipping line. For small e, make a slanting line and without lifting your pencil, make a C curve. From red line till second blue line, make a standing line. From red line, make a slipping line. from first blue line, make another slipping line, and from second blue line, one more slipping line. For small e, make a slanting line and the curve. From red line till second blue line, make a standing line. From red line, make a slipping line. Another slipping line from first blue line and another slipping line from second blue line. For small e, make a slanting line and without lifting your pens, make a C curve.
Okay, now I will show you that how you have to draw a picture of an egg and an envelope.
E for egg. Now kids, I will show you how to draw egg. Make a curve and another reverse curve. See? E for egg. Now I will show you the how to draw an envelope. For that, make two standing lines. Now we have to draw two slipping lines from here to here. 1 and 2. Now which shape is this, kids? Yes, rectangle shape. Now from this corner, make a slanting line. And from this corner, make another slanting line. Now from this corner, you have to make another slanting line and one more slanting line. See? Very good. E for envelope.
Now kids, let's watch worksheet related to the alphabet E.
Kids, in this worksheet, you have to match the alphabet with the correct picture. The first alphabet is B. B for butterfly. So you have to match alphabet B with butterfly. Second alphabet is D. D for drum. So you have to match alphabet D with drum. Third alphabet is A. A for apple. So you have to match A with apple. Next alphabet is E. E for egg. So match alphabet E with egg. Last alphabet is C. C for cat. So you have to match alphabet C with cat. Now kids, let's see second worksheet. In this worksheet, you can see picture of an engine. So tell your mama to draw an engine for you. And then you have to color it with your favorite colors.
Yes, I hope with the help of this session, you have learned alphabet E. Tomorrow, I will be back with my third session. Till then, keep learning. Bye-bye, kids.